Call of Duty Police Edition. Best practices in vehicle fleet maintenance, productivity, and vehicle availability. No matter how many buildings, foundations, schools, and hospitals we build, or how many bridges we raise, all these are material entities. The real spirit behind the progress is the human spirit, the able man with his intellect and capabilities. Words of wisdom, the late Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan. The directions and goals of Dubai Police's strategy is inspired by the vision of His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, offering a model to be followed for building a safe and productive society to fulfill the objectives of society happiness, secure city, innovation and organization capabilities. Dubai's police benchmarking project is carried through a unique benchmarking methodology called TRADE. In the terms of reference stage, the aim is to implement best practices in vehicle fleet maintenance to improve vehicle availability and labor productivity of the Dubai Police Mechanical Department to world-class levels. The Mechanical Department is one of the key operational departments of Dubai Police that focuses on the maintenance and repair of vehicles to ensure their optimum use. The department has 7 main sections with more than 150 employees. The specific targets set were to increase productivity for the mechanical department from 40% to 70% and increase vehicle availability from 88% to 95%. In order to meet specific targets, Dubai Police Mechanical Department sets the following objectives. Identify the factors affecting the performance of the department, August 2017. Create an action plan, September 2017. Study best practices of other organizations, December 2017. Prepare and execute best practices, January 2018. Enhance productivity, vehicle availability, and production capacity, March 2018. During the review stage, the benchmarking team carries SWOT analysis, develops a fishbone diagram, and holds meetings with high-level employees and directors to understand the current performance, practices, and systems in order to define areas of improvement. Through this analysis, key areas of benchmarking were identified as performance measures and metrics, methods of operations, management team and supervisors, manpower and labor capabilities, spare parts management and storage, management system and software, material, equipment, tools. A survey for technicians and employees at the lower grade is carried out to understand their perceptions of the factors affecting productivity and vehicle availability. Over 108 employees have completed the survey. After completion of the survey, the fishbone diagram was revised with the team identifying the following areas of focus: spare parts management and storage, equipment, material, tool, manpower and labor capabilities, management system and software. The team has identified performance measures as well as performed statistical analysis to set the average hours for the tasks using mode and median parameters. At the beginning of the acquire stage, Dubai Police defined 13 criteria for the selection of potential benchmarking partners. At the start, the team identified 62 potential benchmarking partners. The team conducted 20 best practices identified via desktop research, 9 site visits, nine organizations interviewed by site visit or phone calls. At the end of this stage, the team identified the following: 31 best practices identified via site visits, 35 improvement ideas suggested by the benchmarking team, 86 best practices ideas reviewed, desktop research, site visits, and ideas, 23 best practices improvements ideas recommended for implementation. During deploy stage, all 35 improvement ideas are assessed based on a set criterion. Key activities implemented at this stage included data cleansing, closing the Burr Dubai mini workshop to improve efficiency, Establish a workshop with audio-visual screens to improve productivity and visual management. Launch of the incentive scheme and working hours management system. Evaluate stage is all about the final results. The results of the entire projects have been phenomenal, with increase in labor productivity from 40% to 72.2%, exceeding the target of 70%. The increase in labor productivity contributed to a savings of 5,120,367 dirhams. Increase in vehicle availability from 88% to 95%, which resulted in a savings of 14 million dirhams, with future savings estimated to be in excess of 20 million dirhams. The increase in vehicle availability resulted in extra savings of 8,680,000 dirhams. The elimination of replacement costs of about 40 vehicles. The learning obtained from this exercise by the project team has laid down the roadmap of continuous improvement for Dubai Police. The creation of internal benchmarking reward will help Dubai Police save a minimum 2 million dirhams, considering 254 projects per year, as well as a savings of 10,000 dirhams per project. Furthermore, for external parties, Dubai Police has set a benchmark for car dealers and agents who wish to expand their operations. Through best practices in vehicle fleet maintenance, Dubai Police won Trade Benchmarking Proficiency Certificate with Commendation, 7 stars, by the Center for Organizational Excellence Research in April 2018, and the Dubai Government Excellence Program, Dubai We Learn Initiative. Another feather in its cap was during the 10th Continual Improvement and Innovation Symposium, Best Practices Management, in which Dubai Police secured first place in service category in November 2018 by Dubai Quality Group.